as we have multiple times before, baked potatoes. Today is going to be, well, for a couple people, mushroom Swiss sliders. And for a couple other people, just regular sliders. Swiss sliders.
While we let these cook a little, we're going over to a place that we've seen a couple times before, and a couple times more, and that's Jackson's Corn.
Hello, guys, and a special guest.
Yes, we do. The ballin' or fallin' lady.
The ballin'? Is it ballin' or fallin'?
She can only say ballin'. She can't talk anywhere else.
Today we have some beautiful Phoenix corn, obviously, because of this guy. You know, the cook, the big man. Milk. Anyway. So now, yeah, I guess you'll see that woman, the lady, the miss twice today. Maybe more if she decides to talk during the video, like us.
It's corn.
She said something that isn't ballin'. For once. I think she's been corrupted by the corn aliens also. What I mean by also.
But as always, it's fallen.
Always.
Maybe one day I'll figure out the beginning of the corner and random parts in the corner of the corn alien, but you might not understand right now. One day, you'll understand.
Lore.
Canonical lore. Life has lore, if you think about it.
Okay, do you have anything else to say before I end Jackson's Corner? And don't go on a huge rant.
I can go on a huge rant about corn kid, but it's corn. Fine.
These are our mushrooms. Putting on some sausages. These are from Sam's Club. They are cheddar jalapeno, so they should look really good on the inside. Mushrooms are going. I have a couple of jalapenos roasting, charring up. That was a dumb idea. Still a dumb idea. This is the sliders we're having. Prime beef. Prime rib. Beef steak burgers. Sam's Club. Buttery Steakhouse. A couple of these are going to be seasoned a little different. Blackened steak, my favorite. And red jalapeno garlic. Alright, flip them. Buttery Steakhouse on all of them. Regular steak seasoning on this side. Blackened steak on this side. And red jalapeno garlic. For the 3 real eaters in the family. And we're about to put them on. So, I'm going to start them up here first. The more spicier edition ones. Will go down here, mainly just so I can keep them separated, and then we'll rotate them.
Is it balling or is it falling?
Ballin'.